Updating the Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0 separately. Before updating, fully charge the drone and remote controller. Connect the Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0 to the PC with a USB cable. Power on the drone. Launch DJI Assistant 2. Log into your DJI account. Wait until the firmware list is shown on the screen. Click Upgrade and update the aircraft's firmware following the on-screen instructions. Do not turn off the aircraft or touch the USB cable during the update. Please wait until the update is complete. Updating the remote controller separately. Connect the remote controller to the PC with a USB cable. Power on the remote controller. Click on the connected device. Click Upgrade on the firmware update screen. Do not turn off the remote controller or touch the USB cable during the update. Please wait until the update is complete. Updating the Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0 and remote controller simultaneously. Connect the remote controller to the PC with a USB cable. Power on the remote controller and aircraft. Click on the connected device. The drone's and remote controller's firmware version will be displayed. Select the latest firmware version. Click Upgrade. The Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0's and remote controller's firmware will be updated simultaneously. If the update fails several times, or the drone cannot be linked to the remote controller as the aircraft's and remote controller's firmware versions do not match, it is recommended that you update them to the latest versions separately. Leave us a like if this video was useful for you. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.